doing a quick rundown on soldering small components. The problem we're solving here is we have a board and the manufacturer, through instruction to an inattentive designer, has a LED that is mounted backwards. So per the green, this one is correct, where that is going this way, but this is going that way, which we don't want. So this thing's got to go or get reversed. To unsolder this with an iron is hard without destroying it, so we're not even going to try to keep it intact. First thing, paste, flux, mostly to kind of get it moving, also to transfer heat a little better, because what we're going to end up doing is we're going to take our soldering iron here and we're going to lay it flat up against the side, ideally getting both pads melted. So we'll kind of work it back and forth, get both there, and eventually we should be able to see. So that looks like that back one isn't quite cooperating. So rotate a little further back. You see it's just destroying this thing, but yeah, it looks like that back one doesn't quite want to catch, so just keep at it. So we need a little bit more downward pressure there. And then the back's gonna go here, and then there you go. Get it out of there. And make a little cleanup pass with the iron just to kind of get those scrubbed up. I'm gonna come in with our solder and get the back. Just build up the back side. So the side that the soldering iron's on, you just want to build up a little bead on there. So that's great. We're gonna get our replacement LED. Just have a strip here. I'll knock it out onto here and just make sure we got it going the right way. So we want to just plan to have that green side towards the left. So it is, and we'll make sure we pick it off of a flat surface. All right, so now we're gonna want to brace our hand. I always have, it's not clutter, I just have things to brace with. So I have a nice little cup here, because without it I'm just Edward crack hands. So get that out of the way. So that's coming, it's as braced as it can be. Got a little hair in there. Same here, brace it, and then we're just gonna lay it down against that bead. And just get that there, back. All right, so then that's that side. And if you want, you can push it down and make sure it's settled. All right, so now we gotta get that side done. It's not hard. What you gotta do, and a little bit of tin on the end here, just the tip. And then what you're gonna do is put it sideways, perpendicular to that. And you're gonna get the tip right in there and you're gonna roll into it. So I'm gonna take it, get down here, get it, roll into it. And that will kind of get the solder jumped between there and there. And you have yourself, clean this up a little bit. Yeah, so that one's soldered in, and notice the greens are correct now. So just like that. Anything smaller, you'd really want to start using like a hot air or like a rework gun. It kind of, once you get to stuff like this, the soldering iron isn't gonna do you as much good, especially if this thing has solder points under it. So yeah, that's how I do that. And yeah, just want to clean that up with whatever. It's your prerogative. It isn't gonna hurt anything, but yep.